Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome to my channel. So before we get into this video, if you're not already, go ahead and hit the subscribe button down below, and don't forget to hit the thumbs up before you leave the video. So for today's video, I'm going to be reviewing the Pattern line, hair care line by Tracee Ellis Ross that has been trending all over. I know a lot of naturals were waiting for this product to drop. So when it initially dropped, I had my timer on and everything, and I was ready to purchase those items online. But when I went on the website at like 9 o'clock, it wasn't open yet. So I was kind of confused. So when I went back, like a while later, everything was sold out except for like the conditioners. Initially, that's what I purchased: the conditioners, the 3 conditioners, and the shampoo, just to give you guys an idea of how the 3 conditioners work on my hair type. So just to give you guys a little background, I don't know if everybody knows who Tracee Ellis Ross is, but she was on Girlfriend. She's on Blackish, Grownish. She's on Grownish and Mixed-ish. So, and she's Diana Ross's daughter, in case you guys didn't know that as well. But yeah, I know a lot of people were excited when she decided to come out with this. So the name Pattern comes from our curl pattern. She said that's the reason why she wanted to name it Pattern. And then her mission is to fulfill the unmet needs of the curly, coily, and tight textured community. So basically she's saying that this is the product. This is the product you guys need to get. There's no other product out there like this. She's gonna meet all of our needs and all that good stuff. Yeah. So the line consists of a shampoo, 3 different types of conditioners, and a leave-in, an oil. I believe she has also some accessories that you can use with it, like a brush, a clip, and she has, I believe, a towel. So I'm gonna start off by using the shampoo, and this is supposed to be a hydration shampoo. It's supposed to gently cleanse and hydrate, and I did go ahead and purchase the 3 fluid ounce one because I just don't really go through shampoo that much, so I didn't feel like I needed to buy the whole thing. So I'm just gonna read what the back says. It says, great for curlies, coilies, and tight textures when your hair needs a nourishing cleanse.
Luxurious
Oil boosted shampoo that gently lathers to cleanse hair and scalp, removing buildup without stripping away moisture. So she basically is saying that this shampoo is not going to strip your hair of any moisture like other shampoos do. So when I first tried the shampoo, I didn't like it. Honestly, I did not like it because I feel like if you're claiming to do these things, then it should do those things. And when I first used it, my hair felt stripped. Now, when I used it again yesterday, it actually did what it was supposed to do. So kind of had to renege back on that because, yeah, I actually do like this shampoo a lot. It is a hydrating shampoo. I was also even able to kind of like detangle my hair a little bit while the shampoo was still in my hair. And these 3 fluid ounce bottles are actually $9. But you can also use this, like, you could probably get a lot of uses out of this. If you're like traveling or something, this is perfect to go. And I also really do love the packaging on these products. Like, it is so satisfying. The colors, just the texture of it as well. Like, I really do love what she did with the packaging. For the bigger bottle, which would be the 9.8 ounce, that will be $20. So again, if you guys want to go ahead and spend your money on the bigger bottle, or if you want it, that'll be $20, and then the smaller one is $9. So then I went ahead and started with the conditioners. So I started off with the medium conditioner for curlies, and this is supposed to be for type 3B and 3C hair. My hair is like 3C 4A. So I actually did really like this when I was using it in the shower. The only thing is, when I first used these products, for some reason when my hair is, when I'm washing, there's like so much noise. What is this person doing? So when I first started using the conditioners in my shower, I normally like to shower with my curtains closed, but because I was filming and for filming purposes, I had to have it open to record what I was doing. So while I was doing that, it was kind of cold in my bathroom. So I don't know if that air kind of made it hard to detangle my hair, because when I did do it the second time, it was a breeze because all of the steam from the shower was penetrating my strands and it was making it easy. But when it's cold, like it's really hard for me to detangle my hair. So I think that had a lot to do with it, because when I first initially tried these products, I was not a big fan at all. So yeah, I'm super happy that I went ahead and tried it again. That way I wasn't like out here giving like, you know, bad vibes and all that. So I did go ahead with a medium conditioner, which really did work well for my hair type. All of these conditioners worked well for my hair type. And I did like that the intensive conditioner for tight textures, which would be 4B and 4C. You can also leave it in for like a deep conditioning mask. And if you want, I've seen some people actually using these conditioners as a leave-in, because they weren't able to get their hands on the actual leave-in, which also did come out pretty good on their hair as well. The heavy conditioner, which is supposed to be for 4A type hair, which would probably be for my hair, is pretty thick. All of these items are pretty thick, especially the heavy and the intensive. These are two very thicky conditioners. So I don't really think you need to apply that much. So we're gonna talk about the prices for these items. So for these little tiny travel size 3 fluid ounce ones, these are all $9. But for if you want to get like a bigger size, that's where it starts to get a little bit pricey. So for the 13 ounce bottles, which I have a picture here, kind of like comparing the two sizes, the 13 ounce bottles are $25. Yeah. When I first saw that price, I was like, okay, I thought she was making this like affordable for everybody to go out and purchase. But I don't know who's gonna go and buy a conditioner for $25. And then if you want to get like the bigger one, it's $42. So just to keep that in mind, in case you guys are thinking about purchasing the larger sizes so it can last a little bit longer, that's just the pricing for it. So like I was saying before, when I first purchased these items online, they were out of stock for the leave-in, which was like the only kind of styler that there is. And I know a lot of people were saying that leave-in is not a styler, but if you guys have been OG watchers from the beginning, you know that I am obsessed with leave-ins. I love a good leave-in. I can just basically use that one product and go. So I was kind of sad that I wasn't getting my hands on the leave-in, but she just released her line in Ulta. I believe like maybe Sunday. I think maybe Sunday. And yeah, so you guys can go ahead and pick it up at your local Ulta. So when I first tried this leave-in, I was kind of looking at the texture of it, because I like my leave-ins to look a specific way, and that's the kind of like that's kind of how I know it's going to work in my hair, because my good leave-ins that work with my hair are kinky curly, so I kind of compare everything back to that leave-in. So when I first applied the leave-in, I did apply it on soaking wet hair, because I mean that's my hair routine, and I just finger detangled it through my hair. So it says that this is a velvety leave-in conditioner that seals curls with a replenishing moisture lotion to combat dryness and enhance curl patterns. So there's like a lot of pro tips and just like ways you can use it. So that should be suggested use on the back of the bottle, which I like as well, because there's some products out there who don't even tell you how to use the product or what to use it with. So I do like that she included that into the packaging. So as I've been applying the leave-in, I noticed that when I pour it on my hand, it kind of gives me like that kinky curly leave-in, not today leave-in texture. So I'm like, okay, yes, this is gonna be a good leave-in. So this is the results from that leave-in, just the leave-in itself. And I did also leave like a little tiny bit of the conditioner in there. But yeah, these are the results, and I really do like it. Would I go and purchase a $25 bottle? Probably not. It's kind of giving me like Miss Jessie vibes with their high prices. I don't feel the need to go and purchase a $25 leave-in when I feel like you can compare it to Kinky Curly. It's basically what it works like on my hair what it's like for me, at least. And I don't know when she's going to be releasing other products, other styling products to go with her leave-in, because I know that this is not going to work for every single type of hair texture, which she is claiming that her line is like meeting the unmet needs of the curly, coily, and tight textured community. So I'm eager to see what else she is going to put out there. I know she was working on this project for like a couple years and like testing it out and everything. So yeah, all in all, I do really like the leave-in. Would I go out and purchase the full size ones? Probably not, just because they're a little too pricey for me, for my liking. But I really do like the results. It gave me a lot of volume, which I really do like. And yeah, I haven't seen my hair look like this in a while, so it definitely did do something. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you liked it, make sure to give me some thumbs up. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button on your way out. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.